Hello everyone. This is Smile. I'm doing on Smile Network. As you know, it's been a while and it's good to see you back on this platform. So please do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and also go down to the description below. You can join my website to know the latest updates concerning how to make money online, digital marketing, especially affiliate marketing, and this is what I do. So thank you. Please make sure you join my platform to know what is going on. Thank you so much. Today I want to show you one interesting app. Many of us, we know this app, but we don't really focus on it. We don't know that it can make us millions of naira. We don't know. And then this app has existed several years ago. Some people were opportune to use it during the time this app was free. For example, now me as a person, then when the app was free, then I think I realized up to like $4 then, even though it was free and it's not that moving fast then. So I realized of like $4 through referring and stuff like that. Yeah. So but now this app has been upgraded and is working perfectly. And what's the name of the app? The name of the app is CryptoTab. So please, I want you guys to be patient and follow me. So this is CryptoTab platform. I registered back on this CryptoTab app 10 days ago, and you can't believe what I have made on this platform. Let me show you my history. So here is my here is my history. Where's that? Okay, yeah, this is it. So when you check this side, payment history, you can see this is my history. This is how much I've withdrawn from the account, and in 10 days I can tell you, because I actually put 45,000 there, and in 10 days I think, let me show you how much I've made. Okay, it has increased to $2. So presently I'm in $2 profit now. So let me show you my withdrawal in 10 days ago. So presently I have $15 that have not been pinned to my account, and in the last 10 days I've made $134. Can you see? And this money has been paid to my account, so I still have $15 that have not been paid that way. I'm going to that's in process. You can see confirmed, but not in yellow color. So all these ones, they have been processed. Can you see? I've been processed. I've received it into my wallet. But this one is the $15 that I've not received it to my account. So this platform is actually real, and I would like you guys to join it. Most usually, if you have one money that you are not using, if you have to like $100, just put it there. It's working perfectly. So let me just take you through the video. I don't want to take much of our time. So if you want to purchase, let me show you the second app. This is the second app. So if you want to purchase, then you can see $2. So if you want to purchase, I would like you to go to this, use this app. Don't use the second one. There's a reason for that. So use this one, because this one is giving a mad offer, mad and crazy one. So you click on this get offer. So you can see this one. You pay 11,500 for 7 days, 22,500 for 7 days, and 45,500 for 7 days. These three minor, they are promo offers that they give to you, and it is going to last for 7 days. So this is the offer, and it's going to last for 7 days. You can see, for example, now I've actually activated this. I've activated this, and I've activated this also, and that's how much I've shown you. How much I've made, because when I started with that of 45,500, but now I think you can see how much I've realized, and it's still working. I've not quit. So just go for this one, 45,500. Go for it, and if you have more than that, you can activate the 3. I can boldly tell you, in a day you can make up to like 30. For example, now yesterday I make $32, and that's around 40 something. Let me show you so that you understand what I'm saying. So here is my crypto wallet, and this is where I receive my money. So when you register, I'm going to show you how you are going to get this wallet, because this wallet is also connected to crypto app. So you can see yesterday was 27 March. So I sold this $32 this morning, and that was the money I received yesterday. So that was the money that entered into my account yesterday night. So today is what, 27. Can you see? March 27. Can you see that I sold it $32 this money? And the reason this wallet was the wallet that was connected to crypto tab. So anytime you are withdrawing, this is where you are going to be withdrawing your money to, and this is how much I'm making a day. And you can see even this money I'm still having $15 I've not withdrawn. So even before the end of today, I'm going to make up to like $30 to $35. So you can see, let me show you the history. So this is the money. Let me see, this is the money in BTC. So I converted to USDT. So that was the money. So I sold this money around 45,000 in a day. I think that is okay for a starter. So if you are making 45,000 in a day, I think that is okay if you are not a thief. So looking at the state of the country, I think this app is better for you. So if you have one money that you are not really using, just put it there and make sure you follow this app up. So that's just it. That's one about it, and there are some conditions I'm going to give you about this app, because this app, it needs serious monitoring. So for example, now look at this app. Now look at it. So look at it. Presently is in $2.02. So this app now, you must not switch off the data. That's the number one condition. So the data must be on always. You get what I'm saying? So you must be monitoring it always, because at the time you can ask it to interact with the app so that you can reactivate the app. So you get, so you must be very close to the app. Make sure your data is not down, or you don't have enough data on phone. So you must have enough data on phone. But if you want to prevent that, if you don't want to be watching your phone every time, go to your phone every time, you can just use this one. You can say I have the two on my phone, so just use this one. Come to that plus, click on that plus sign and click on add worker. Can you see? So you come to reactivation. You can see free try reactivation. Click on it. So you can set the time for watching the for the working of the app. I get what I'm saying. So you can set the time for the working of the app. So you want that app to work for 6 hours without you touching it. So you just click on the 6 hours, but it's not free. You're going to pay. So for this 6 hours, you're going to pay 2,130 naira. I think that's cheap for 6 hours, and it's going to last for 1 month. So with that, I think that one is okay. If you want to minimize your money, and if you want to do that of 12 hours, so you're going to pay 6,390 naira for 12 hours every day. So for 12 hours, you're not going to touch it. It's going to be doing the money by itself and then drop your money for you. So that's just it. So I think the app is easy to relate. And if you have any question, you are free to get in touch with me. Just go to the description. You can join my Telegram channel, and also you can go to my website. Just go through some tricks and tactics on how to make money online. So that's just it. If you have any question, you are free to chat me up. So that's just it. So for a good Nigerian like us, I think this app is better for us. It's good for us. It's actually big for us. So that's it. Thank you. Oh, can you see? The money has increased to $2.12. So in the next 1 hour now, it's going to be $3. So I think the app is good. So see you in the next video. If you have any question, you can join me. In the next video, I'm going to show you another way you can use this app to make money. It's a crazy one. So make sure you watch the video. Thank you so much.